Hey, hey. This is about Annika and Omer sitting in the tree. Annika breaking up with Omer Barber. Omer Barber, get that rich and get Annika back. Alright. Annika loving Omer sitting under a tree. KISSINGEE. Annika and Omer. Hey. Annika saying I like Omer. He is good at football. Not even a joke. Hey, Annika saying that I want to kiss Omer Barber. Saying hey, but whatever. I want to kiss Omer Barber. Omer Barber. Annika and Omer sitting under a tree. I asking Annika, do you like Omer? Annika saying yes. Omer and Annika glazing each other. Annika saying so nice and beautiful. The sky is so nice, glittery, so romantic. Time Annika saying so nice out. I can't kiss Omer right here and right now. Annika and Omer sitting under a tree. KISSING. First comes love and second comes marriage. No one in the baby carriage. Annika liking Omer Barber, his best friend. Annika. Hey, Annika and Omer sitting under a tree in the KISING. Annika and Omer loving each other, glazing each other. Annika and Omer loving each other, sitting under a tree, KISSING. Hey. Annika and Omer sitting under a tree, KISSING. Annika glazing Omer so badly. It's not even a joke. Annika saying that she wants to do this weird stuff with Omer Barber. Annika blowing a kiss to Omer Barber. Omer Barber blowing a kiss back to Annika. Sitting under a tree. This is Annika and Omer together. Sitting on the tree. KISSING. Annika and Omer sitting under a tree. KISSING. Yeah. Annika and Omer sitting under a tree. KISSING. Annika saying, I'm asking Annika on Snap, just watching edits on YouTube. Me and Isaiah, just watching some edits, trying to edit and go in and doing our stuff to post music videos. After Annika texting me and Isaiah, saying I like Omer, glazing Omer like a donut, extra glaze, no Hey, Annika and Omer sitting under a tree, KISSING to Annika. Hey, asking Annika, okay, Omer, lover, I know you like Omer Barber. Do you like Omer Barber? Annika saying yes. I just clipped that. I'm the best clicker. Not even a joke. Annika saying that it's the best time to kiss Omer Barber and do some weird things. What? It's just nasty. Hey. Okay. Hey. Annika saying Omer is my baby. That was the first time they became boyfriend and girlfriend. If you want to see the